Over 1 billion hours of YouTube are watching every single day. In the next few years, your YouTube channel might become more important than your website, your Instagram, even your CV. But there is a problem. Most creators are still playing the old YouTube game, chasing subscribers, ignoring shorts, afraid of becoming personal, and hoping the algorithm like them one day. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 new rules of YouTube that are shaping the platform in 2026 and how small creators can actually use them to grow faster. If you stay with me until the end, you'll know exactly how to update your strategy for the new YouTube. My name is Sheikh. I'm building this channel from scratch, and I had been built many online business over the last 2 years, and now I'm teaching YouTube for busy adult to grow with their channel too. If that's you, consider subscribing, but first let me fix your strategy. Your channel is your digital headquarters. YouTube is not just another social media anymore. It's becoming the main place where people discover you, trust you, and decide they want to follow you or buy from you. For many business and creators, their YouTube channel is already more important than their website. So what does that mean for you? It means you should stop treating your channel like a random place where you throw videos and start treating it like your digital headquarters. Ask yourself, when someone's land your channel page, do they instantly understand who you help and what you talk about? Do your playlist looks like messy folder or like a clear roadmap? Action step. Write one clear sentence for your channel. I help who with what, using how. Make your first playlist matches that sentence. Upload your banner and about section to focus on the viewer benefit, not your life story. And remember, YouTube is the one place where your videos can keep working for you for years and years and years. Treat it like long-term asset, not like disposable post. Rule number 2, interest subscribers. Once YouTube said grow your subscribers, then YouTube will show your videos to them. New YouTube says if your video matches someone's interest, YouTube might show your video even if they have never heard your name before. Today YouTube cares more about what people watch, what topic they click on, and how long they stay, than about who they are subscribed to. That's a good news for you. You don't need 100k subscribers to get video pushed to thousands of people. You need a specific topic, a clear viewers in mind, and video that's actually solves a real problem or feeds a real obsession. Think about how you use YouTube, your search, how to fix, how to start, how to explain. You don't think like, let me finish a new creator to subscribe to. You think, let me fix this problem now. Action steps. Stop asking how do I get more subscribers? Start asking, which interest am I serving with this video? Write title that sounds like search or curiosity, not a poetry. How to grow on YouTube while working full-time? Why your YouTube short gets 0 views and how to fix it? Subscriber still matter for monetization and loyalty, but interest comes first. There is the rule number 3. People are watching your videos that are shorter and longer. Both extremes winner. On one side, shorts 15 to 60 seconds, fast discovery, a huge search, and great to get attention. On the other side, long form videos, 10 to 20 minutes, even 60 minutes, deep trust, high watch time, and better money. The smarter move for the next years is the barbell strategy. Use shorts to reach new people. Use a long form to build deep trust and income. You don't need a Hollywood studio to do this. Simple plan for basic creators. Long videos per week and 3 to 4 shorts cuts from its per weeks. Long videos, example, the future of YouTube, 5 new rules to grow in 2026. Short example, subscriber doesn't matter anymore. Here is what does. You record once and you get multiple pieces of content. If you can do both, right now, pick one to start. But know that the biggest opportunity is combining them. Rule number 4, authenticity, intimacy still win. AI can write a script, AI can generate appearance, and also AI can even call on voice. But there is one thing AI cannot replace. Your real story and your real face and your real life. Viewers are more and more drawn to honest stories, behind the scenes, vulnerability, and the process, not just success. Not just, here are 5 tips, grow on YouTube, but also this is how I am struggling and testing and learning while I'm growing on YouTube. You don't have to share your entire private life, but you do need to show that you are a human, not just a tutorial machine. Action idea. Instead of only how to video, try to what I learned from 30 days of posting shorts. I changed my niche, and this what's happened. When you teach something, add one short story. A mistake, a lesson, a moment where you almost quit. Information is everywhere. Your perspective is still really valuable. Number 5, think like a business, not just like a creator. YouTube is not just for entertainment. It's a real economy. Ads, channel membership, affiliates, brand deals, your own products. Creators, even small ones, are turning channels into full-time income. But here is the trap. Most people wait until they monetize before they started thinking like a business. Smart creators flip it. They treat their channels like business from days one. They choose a clear audience, they solve a specific problem, and they build videos that can work for them month and years. And they think, how can I help people so much that later I offer them something paid? Monetize is not just 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours. Monetization is a strategy, action step. Focus first on creating a quality video that keeps people watching. Get into the YouTube Partner Program as soon as possible. But also, think about one simple offer you could prompt later. Whether it's a checklist, a Notion template, a one-to-one call, or a mini course. If you only remember one thing from this video, let it be this. The old YouTube is gone, but the new YouTube is full of opportunity for small, serious creators. Treat your channel as your digital headquarters. Aim at interest, not ego, and use shorts and long form together. Be more human in your videos and plan for your income, not just viewers. If you want more clear, honest video about your YouTube growth and turning your channel into a second paycheck, subscribe to the channel and then watch my YouTube growth playlist. I will link it on the screen and also in the description. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are not too late for YouTube. You are right on the time.